Hey car family, welcome back to Axmgarage. I'm Annie and today we're going to be detailing my lifted truck. Now this is a 2020 Ford F-250 6.7 liter powered diesel and it is my daily. And she's a bit dirty, like really dirty. Not only is it my daily driver, but it's also my mudding rig, my car parts hauler, and because it's super tall, it catches a lot of bugs, like a lot. Now let me tell you, I've probably been overdue for a detail on this truck for over a year. And if you're wondering how tall the truck is, it's almost a 9-foot clearance, so it basically doesn't go into any drive-through. Okay, well that part kind of sucks, but she looks phenomenal. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get to taking off the sticker. I've been meaning to do it for quite some time now, but I don't know if today's the day. I will keep continuing to procrastinate. So let me show you guys how dirty this truck really is, because if you look at the interior, it probably looks like a tornado came in. I'm really outing myself here because I normally don't show people when my truck is really dirty, but I'll show you guys. Don't judge me. Look at this catastrophe. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. I can't even tell you where half this stuff came from because I haul a lot of people from the airport, so a lot of people are going in and out of my truck. Like I've never even been in the back seat before, so for it to be that dirty is crazy to me. And the amount of dog hair that's in here, oh my gosh. This is gonna be a mission. Oh my God, there's a spider. Oh my God, there's a spider on my truck. No, there's a spider in my truck. Oh, it's gone. I'm honestly afraid of what I'm gonna find in this truck. I swear, if I find an insect or something alive in there, that's it, I'm out. Car wash canceled. I also really have to clean the inside of my wheel wells as well as my suspension. And because the truck is super lifted, there's gonna be a lot of dead bugs. Like a lot. Now, I don't know if the camera can capture all this, but dead bugs all over my headlights, all over my grill, all over my hood, and it's not even a question that there are dead bugs on my windshield. Now here in Texas, we've been having a lot of rainstorms and hurricanes, so my truck has gotten dirty exterior-wise because of that. So there's a teensy-weensy bit of mud all over the side of the truck as well as the suspension. I honestly don't even know how I'm gonna get up on top of the hood to clean all those dead bugs off, so that's also gonna be another adventure. I also forgot to see if I have anything in my truck. It's empty. I literally thought that I've been driving around with like sets of wheels and tires in the bed this whole time. What was that noise then? Maybe it's better I don't know. My truck bed, however, is very dirty. Oh my gosh. Like I said, it is a car parts hauler. All right, so I'm gonna get the pressure washer ready, get some detailing products out here, get the truck ready, and then we're gonna get to cleaning. But first, a word from our sponsor. Did you know you can get chef-prepared restaurant quality meals on the table in just 2 minutes with Factor's ready-to-eat meals, and they deliver right to your door. Skip overpriced takeout because Factor is cheaper and more delicious. Plus that way you can save your money for car parts. And if you're pulling a late night at the garage or a car install is taking a lot longer than expected, Factor now offers a load of snack options like breakfast, smoothies, juices, small bites, and more to keep you going no matter what's on your schedule. I work a lot of hours and it's really easy for me to skip meals rather than spending time cooking, so finding Factor has really helped me instate a better eating routine, making sure I'm well fed no matter what project I'm working on. And the best part is I can make it at home or at the shop and it cleans up in seconds. And it smells so good. It's mess-free, never frozen, and always fresh. Head to Factor75.com or click the link below and use code AnnieGarage50 to get 50% off your first Factor box and 20% off your next month of orders. That's code AnnieGarage50 at Factor75.com to get 50% off your first box plus 20% off your next month of orders. Now let's get to wrenching. So I have everything set up for the truck, for the detailing right over there. So I have 3 buckets. I'm gonna take you through and show you guys everything that I'm gonna be using product-wise for the interior and the exterior of the truck. And look, I finally figured out how to use the spray foam cannon. This took me a minute, but I swear it worked a second ago. So I have 3 buckets set up. One is gonna be for towels, one is for products, and one is for water. So the first thing we're gonna be using is this Jax Wax Cannon soap, and this is the soap that goes into the foam cannon right over there, which gets hooked up to the pressure washer. So this is step 1. Next up is this bug zapper, and this is to get rid of any of the dead bugs. Dead bugs is like the #1 thing that you deal with being a lifted truck owner because you're so high up that all the bugs kind of hit you no matter what. After the bug zapper, we're gonna be using the HD wheel and tire cleaner, and this is what's gonna be cleaning our wheels and tires. But I do plan on going in with an instant shine right afterwards. I picked up this black trim renew, which I want to use, but I don't know if today is gonna be the day. This stuff is supposed to really renew the color of your black trim panels, and I really wanna use this on trim pieces like my side view mirrors. Essentially, they'll make these mirrors or any black trim piece that you have look like it just came off the dealership floor. And the tire shine I'll be using is their instant shine. I like this because it's aerosol. I know the other one also cleans the tires, but I just like going in with that for an extra shine. I like shiny tires, what can I say? So this is all the the exterior products I'll be using, but over here is the interior products, which will start with glass cleaner, go into interior cleaner, and then I'll go in with Leather Magic, which conditions the leather in the seats. I do have a leather cat skin seat covers in the car. I also used Leather Magic to restore my Miata seats, and it looked so good afterwards. And lastly, to finish it off, we're gonna be using this odor control, but it's in the smell apple pie. What can I say? I am a fall queen, so I really like pumpkin spice items. So when Jack's came out with their fall line as well as their Halloween line, I had to jump right on it because I love getting detailing products, even though I don't really clean my car as often as I should. These are all the towels that I'll be using, but I have a bunch more in the shop, which is literally right there. So, and I am working on having a detailing bay all the way in the back of the shop, but it's gonna take some time doing all the renovation and setting it up, so I don't think that's gonna be up and running for at least a couple months, which means the driveway is the perfect spot because it's under the shade. Anyways, I'm a yapper, so I'm getting out of breath, so let's start detailing. Now to wash her off. All right, let's call that a light pre-soak. And now for the mitt. Now how do I get up there? Nice. I'm exhausted. Let's grab this bad boy and get to work. Y'all, that is a big truck. I am so exhausted. I don't know how. I'm either out of shape or this is just a really, really big truck. You know, now I understand what they mean by with great power comes great responsibility. Is that the saying? I think it's the saying. I get it now. Now we're gonna do the wheels using the HD wheel and tire cleaner. And now that I think about it, these wheels are a lot bigger than my Audi's. Just a bit. Alright, just did the rest of the wheels and boy, these wheels are big. Big wheels means there's a lot to clean. And I learned this now. Looks like I'm going tiny wheels from now on. Beefy tires is what I need. I know I have tiny tires in the truck. I've been known. But these tires are still brand new, so I don't really feel like buying a new set if I don't need to. Anyways, now that all the wheels are clean, I'm gonna go ahead and start using the tire shine. And now they're nice and sparkly. Alright, now the truck is squeaky clean and we're ready to start on the interior. So I'm gonna start by taking out all the trash from the car because I know I have a lot of it, and hopefully we won't find any dead bugs. So a lot of people are wondering how a tiny girl like me can get in this big monster truck. I'm 5'3" and the truck has a clearance of almost 9 feet. And that's because I have the amp power steps, so they actually come out when I open the truck door. And it's not too bad getting in, like, what? And that's how you do it. I have an unnecessary amount of wrappers in this car. And make sure you cop some AXM merch. This is the Sylvia one and it's one of my favorite shirt designs, so make sure you cop it at axmgarage.com. get your merch. I got this tool set. I got this tool set for my truck, so if I ever break down on the side of the road, I would have like, you know, tools. Why? Who ate this in the back of my truck? Why? This is having a step stool in a lifted truck is so underrated? That's why I've got two of them in different colors. I'm not joking though, like a lot of my family members and friends actually need these, so I keep step stools in my truck because the steps are just way too big for them to go in with like, without struggling. So like a good friend, Annie is here. I am now done cleaning up my truck of my own mess, so this is the first time I've ever been in my back seat, and it is very spacious back here. I'm gonna clean my seats afterwards, don't worry. No, I can't put my feet up. I can't do it. Now that all the trash is gone from the truck, I'm gonna go ahead and bring in the portable vacuum and clean up any of the dirt and stuff on the carpets and in between the seats. And then I got a special little surprise for y'all. If y'all want a good hack on getting rid of pet hair inside of your truck, like on carpets and such, I'll show you. Just you wait. All right, let's get vacuuming. This is the vacuum. It's portable, because you don't have to plug it in. It's actually fueled by 2 chargers, so pretty cool. How does this get into that? All right. It's not as portable as I thought it would be. It's a lot bigger. Turn on. Oh, big brains. So this is a pet hair remover rock, and I actually got this from Jack Flax as well. And at first I was suspicious because it felt really rough and coarse, and I was like, oh, is this gonna mess up my interior? But I tried it and the results are pretty shocking. This is my carpet. I have 5 animals, so this is like the regular, and finding a way to remove pet hair is impossible. All you have to do is take the rock and just slide it against the carpet, and it literally picks up the hair instantly. How crazy is that? That was like 3 swipes. The only thing is you don't want to use this anywhere near around like trim pieces because it scratches it up. I actually did some in the back, so right here on the bottom of my back seat, it kind of scraped it just a bit. But how crazy. What? Like, how does it work so quick? It's one of the few things I found that works without damaging the material. You just peel the hair off of the rock, and that's literally the entire cleanup, and then you can keep using it. And after 1 pass of the pet hair remover rock, it is way cleaner than it was, and the amount of hair that came off it is crazy. This just came out of my passenger seat. Ew. Now for the glass cleaner. Ow. All right. Next, we're gonna go in with some interior cleaner and then finish it up with some leather magic. Let's do it. And that, car family, is the end of the detailing vlog. Let me know in the comments what y'all thought about this video because I know it's a little bit different than my normal content. Make sure you subscribe and like, and I'll see y'all later, car family. Love y'all.